My top 3 snacks for health and weight loss. Number 3, watermelon. Yes, it has a lot of sugar, but this is natural sugar and this fruit is 90% water. The benefits packed with essential nutrients and keeps you hydrated. At only 46 calories a cup, watermelon is a rich source of citrulline, an amino acid that may improve your exercise performance. May aid in skin health, relieve muscle soreness, anti-cancer effects and may improve your heart health. Number 2, edamame. These soybeans, when roasted, make a perfect after-workout snack. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Heavy on calories per cup at over 200. Watch your servings. They may lower your cholesterol and promote healthy blood sugar regulation. Number 1, hot cocoa.